Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So this morning, of course, I want to talk about Bitcoin, give you guys a little update on what is happening with Bitcoin this morning. And not just that, but also Ethereum and of course the entire cryptocurrency market. Now, the market is in fact moving up to the upside, right? It really is. You guys can clearly see that a Bitcoin right now is pumping back up to $26,000. Okay, we saw Bitcoin actually pump yesterday. Okay, you guys can clearly see that back up to $25,000, 25.7. Okay, and was in fact consolidating a little bit. And you guys can clearly see this morning we saw Bitcoin break above $26,000. So right now, Bitcoin is currently at $26,400, which is absolutely amazing to see. The entire cryptocurrency market today is looking pretty good too, right? For the past 24 hours, you have to see Bitcoin and Ethereum, right, are in fact up over 3%. Great to see. And you guys can clearly see some altcoins are in fact, slightly moving as well. Okay, you guys can see Solana, Litecoin, okay, Polkadot, right, are in fact moving up slightly for the past 24 hours. And that's, amazing to see. So overall, the market today is up 2.6%. And the global crypto market cap has gone up slightly as well. It's currently at 1.06 trillion. Okay, so it's looking pretty good for the market today, especially for Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they are in fact pumping up to the upside. Now, in this video, guys, I want to go ahead and buy and stack more Ethereum, just like what I told you guys in yesterday's video and in yesterday's stream. I want to go ahead and buy some more Ethereum. I feel like I want to go back to my old roots of accumulating and stacking just Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I feel like for the past few days I've been really focusing on other altcoins, right? Because altcoins have dropped, that, right? For the past week, right? For the past few days, altcoins have dropped significantly, so I took that as an opportunity to buy more, right? But I want to go back to my old roots and stack more Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I'm here for long term, guys, right? I'm a long term investor. Okay, I'm still gonna focus on investing into other altcoins, but I want to go back to my old roots of just mainly focusing on Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So yes, in this video, guys, in today's video, I want to go ahead and buy some more Ethereum. Okay, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing this morning. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are chilling, holding up in there as well. And I told you guys to ignore the, negative news or the FUD lately. And you guys can clearly see, right, Bitcoin is pumping. And this is a great example of why you should really ignore the noise, ignore the nonsense out there, right? All the FUD, negative news spreading around the crypto space, causing, the market to drop. Eventually it will recover. And you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is now back up over $26,000. Right, and you guys can see Ethereum right now is back above $1,700, right? Ethereum is pumping, okay, and that's not the reason why I want to invest more into Ethereum this morning, why I want to buy more Ethereum, right? I told you guys in yesterday's video when Ethereum wasn't even moving, and it was just like dipping and whatnot. I told you guys that I wanted to buy tomorrow, which is today. So that's that. Okay, I'm not buying Ethereum because it's pumping, okay? But usually I don't care what it does short term, you know what I mean? What Ethereum does short term. And it's still a great buy, because for Ethereum, you guys can clearly see we're in fact forming this descending triangle, and clearly, Ethereum broke down from that, right? And you guys are probably wondering, okay, why is all of a sudden Bitcoin pumping? Right? Even the market. Why is Bitcoin pumping? Right? Well, it's because of this. And I already covered this in yesterday's stream. So if you guys haven't seen yesterday's stream, you should definitely check it out. But pretty much BlackRock, right? BlackRock is the largest asset manager, okay, in the world. Okay, they are in fact the biggest, largest asset manager in the world. Okay, and pretty much the CEO, right, of BlackRock. Okay, the CEO Larry Fink just filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF. And this was, in fact, some amazing news. And I really do believe the market, how it's reacting to it, is right now, right? And that's why we are, in fact, seeing, Bitcoin having this pump up, right? It's because of this news, right, with BlackRock. So this is some amazing news. Remember, right, back in 2018, okay, Larry Fink said nothing to do with cryptocurrency or even Bitcoin, right? He had no interest in it. Okay, 5 years later, here we are. Okay, so I think this is why, guys, we aren't fixing a pump for Bitcoin, and there's a lot of buying going on right now for Bitcoin, right? So that's that. Some amazing news. Now, in this video, I also want to show you guys a fair few charts for Bitcoin, why we should be very bullish. Okay, I showed you guys a fair few charts in yesterday's video, and a lot of people were in fact saying I saw one chart, right? If you guys haven't seen yesterday's video, you should definitely check it out. But I saw one chart, someone indicating that Bitcoin will go back up to its previous lows, which is around 15, just below $16,000, right? Like, people out there actually think Bitcoin has the potential, to go back down below its previous lows, even at $20,000. I've been telling guys this many times that I really highly doubt. It's just very unlikely to happen. It's possible, right? But very, very unlikely to happen that Bitcoin will go down below $20,000. Meaning, personally, I don't believe Bitcoin has the potential to go back down to that price level, that price target ever again at $19,000, $18,000, $17,000. I don't see Bitcoin ever again going back down to that level, right? I see ups. Bitcoin is going to be going ups from here, right? It's going to be shooting up, and this chart really does indicate that. Yes, Bitcoin could potentially have other small corrections, but Bitcoin is pumping, and it could drop back down below $25,000, maybe even $24,000, right? We will see. Time will tell. Okay, but it looks pretty strong right now for Bitcoin. Okay, it really is, and it's not too far away from hitting back up to $27,000. We know Bitcoin for the past few days has been consolidating at this level, right up here at the beginning of this month in June, right? We didn't see much movements for Bitcoin. Bitcoin was pretty much stuck at $27,000, and then it broke down. Okay, because of the SEC FUD news and whatnot, right? You guys clearly see this is where we are right now. So Bitcoin is not too far away from reaching back up to $27,000, and I think once it does, it's gonna go back up to $30,000. Okay, and from there on, I think this rally for Bitcoin will continue, just like what this chart is indicating. I've been telling guys many times that personally, I think we're going to see a 50K Bitcoin. And this chart really does show that, right? It's showing that at the beginning of next year in 2024, Bitcoin could potentially reach back up to $48,000. Okay, potentially, you guys can clearly see that, right? But I think Bitcoin can slightly go way higher than that, in my opinion. A lot of people think Bitcoin can even go past $60,000 towards the end of this year in 2023, right? But I'm going to stick with 50K, okay, or over 50K. That's just my personal, price prediction for Bitcoin this year in 2023. So Bitcoin is holding up very strong still, especially since it's pumping today, right this morning. So I'm very bullish, and I hope you guys are affected as well. And of course, we know the halving is going to happen. That's where Bitcoin's going to really, really skyrocket and reach a new all-time high, right? We know its previous all-time highs was in fact at like $69,000, almost at 70K. Didn't quite hit it, and we dropped. Right, and we hit bottom right here, and it's all up from here, right? Just like what this chart shows you guys, right? We hit bottom, okay, last November, and you guys can clearly see at the beginning of 2023, we have formed a new pattern, so it's all ups from here, guys, pretty much. Yes, Bitcoin's gonna obviously have some small corrections every now and then to the downside, but it's all ups from here, okay? Just like what we saw back in 2019 and 2020 for Bitcoin, right? We saw like little teasers, little pumps, right? Little teaser pumps. Bitcoin was teasing us. You know what I mean? That's exactly what we're seeing right now. Okay. And of course, in 2024, once the halving happens, we're going to see Bitcoin pump. That's where it's alt seasons. Okay. Alt season. And we're going to see altcoins pump like crazy, skyrocket. Okay. Majority of them, not all of them, but majority of them. Okay. And that's when, guys, okay, we will be officially in a bull market. We're not right now. Okay, I wouldn't say, obviously, right now we aren't, in fact, 100% in, the next bull market, because we're clearly not, right? We're still in a bear market, in my opinion, right? Bitcoin is, like, nowhere near its previous all-time highs, which is good. It gives us, time, right? Us long-term investors to stack more Bitcoin and Ethereum, because this is the perfect time to do that, right? It gives us time to really stack more, right? So that's that, guys. You guys can clearly see this chart every single time, okay, the halving happens, okay, and we reach bottom, okay, we touch bottom, it always tends to reach a new all-time high. And that's exactly what we're going to see in the year 2024 and 2025, So be excited for that for all my Bitcoin holders out there. So that's that. Now the Bitcoin monthly returns, you guys can clearly see it's gone down a lot. Yesterday, I think this was at like 6% or even 7%, right? And now it's at 3%, right? So this is great. It's going down. So who knows? June, okay, we could end off in the greens, but we will see. Time will tell. For Ethereum, we are down 8%. So still down a lot for Ethereum, but we will see. Okay, how it will hold off. But that's that. Okay, so that's that. It's looking pretty good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's holding up very, very well. And now let's talk about Ethereum, right? I'm really excited for Ethereum. Okay, I really am. Okay, and a lot of predictions right now for Ethereum for the next to end off in June, right? June 30th. A lot of people are in fact saying that we will in fact see Ethereum reach around $1,800, which is possible, right? It really is possible. So we will see for Ethereum. Okay, so yes, I want to go ahead and buy some more Ethereum because I really do believe Ethereum is an asset that you can't go wrong with, right? If you're genuinely investing into cryptocurrency, you need Ethereum in your portfolio. Okay, you really do, right? Like you honestly really do. Like you're gonna need it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and stack more Ethereum. I'm gonna go ahead and buy some more. I'm only gonna be investing $500, like what I've been doing for the past few weeks. Okay, I'm not gonna go crazy with my investments. I'm trying to really spread it out. So there we go, $500, and that's how much ETH I'll be getting, which is not bad. And there we have it, guys. I just invested $500 into Ethereum. As promised, I will in fact be buying more. But yeah, I am mainly going to be focused on buying more Bitcoin and Ethereum now. Okay. I think I'm sort of done with altcoins. I'm still going to buy a bit more altcoins like, maybe Cardano, XRP, right? Chainlink, of course. And many more other ones that I like Polygon. But we will see. My main focus right now is just Bitcoin and Ethereum. I want to go back to my old roots, right? Of just really stacking and focusing and accumulating on just Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Because like I said many times, guys, I'm here for long term. And I really do believe, obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum are great long-term investments. Okay, they really are, especially since the next bull market is coming up. So that's that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. More videos today will in fact be coming your way, so stay tuned for that. I appreciate all you guys for the support lately. I really do. And on that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys.